Welcome back to AI Capital Brief. Today, we're breaking down a phenomenon happening right now in the markets, quietly, behind the scenes. Before we get started, a quick warning. What I'm about to show you is volatile. But if you play it right, this could be the kind of move that makes or breaks 2025. Today, 5 stocks right now with monster short interest setups. Names that, according to the latest data and retail pulse, are sitting on the edge of potential explosive moves. This isn't just hype, it's data. Let's go. Let's start with Beyond Meat, ticker BYND. As recently as late 2025, BYND has reemerged in meme stock chatter. Shares recently jumped approximately 60% in a single session, driven largely by renewed retail buzz and short interest speculation. According to data from short interest trackers, BYND remains among the most heavily shorted stocks in the market, creating what many traders call a classic meme stock cocktail. What does that mean in practice? If a spark, a rumor, a viral social media post, or a seemingly minor company update triggers a wave of retail buying, BYND could trigger a sharp short squeeze. Given sentiment on Reddit and trading forums lately, many retail traders believe the worst may already be priced in. If you want outlier upside, BYND could be one to watch in the next couple of weeks. Next up, Opendoor Technologies, ticker OPEN, a stock that's recently been mentioned among 2025's Meme Stock Mania 2.0. Why it's on the radar? Open recently surged more than 300% in a short period, punching well above its penny stock origins. Despite weak fundamentals, retail interest and trading volume have blown up, a hallmark of meme-style rallies. This kind of move signals that investors are speculating not on fundamentals, but on momentum plus squeeze potential plus social-driven hype. For traders willing to take big risks, Open might offer outsized returns if the retail squeeze narrative gains steam again. Now let's talk about Riot, ticker RIOT, a cryptocurrency-linked name that's drawn renewed attention in late 2025. Riot remains among the top shorted crypto miner/blockchain-related stocks this quarter. Given rising interest in crypto markets and potential catalysts tied to miner profitability/Bitcoin cycles, the mechanics for a squeeze plus rally exist for Riot. If BTC or crypto sentiment gets hot again, or if there's any positive hash rate/regulation surprise, Riot could see sharp upside. But naturally, high risk, high volatility. Next, a bit of a wild card, Kohl's, ticker KSS. In recent weeks, KSS has popped up in lists of heavily shorted names with potential squeeze setups. One headline from November 2025 included KSS among top squeeze candidates. Retail traders appear to be rotating beyond traditional meme equities, perhaps seeking lower cap, shorted retailers that still trade like meme stocks. If retail momentum picks up, especially around earnings, holidays, or sentiment-driven bounce, KSS might catch a wave. It's speculative, but that's exactly the type of asymmetric payoff many meme stock traders aim for. Finally, Lucid Group, ticker LCID. According to a recent short interest snapshot, Lucid sits near the top of the list of heavily shorted stocks. That sort of structural bearish positioning sets up classic squeeze potential. Consider this a speculative long shot. If there's favorable news, perhaps on EV sector developments, macro momentum, or delivery expansion rumors, a short squeeze plus hype-driven rally could push shares considerably higher than what fundamentals alone might justify. Here's the big picture, and the huge caveat. All 5 stocks, BYND, OPEN, RIOT, KSS, LCID, share a common trait: high short interest plus retail sentiment plus liquidity/volume spikes. That's the meme stock formula. When retail pressure plus social buzz plus short pressure combine, you get explosive, often irrational, volatility. Historically, these setups have produced massive gains. If you trade this way, treat it like high risk, high reward. Don't allocate more than you can afford. You're trading a squeeze-driven trade. If you want to follow these setups, here's what to keep an eye on. Short interest data, unusual options activity and sweeps, social sentiment on trading forums, message boards, volume spikes, dark pool prints, bulletin board chatter, sector-wide catalysts. That's how you stack the odds in your favor. Meme investing isn't dead. If anything, given macro uncertainty and widespread retail participation, 2025/2026 might be shaping up as Meme Stocks 2.0. From Beyond Meat to Lucid, from crypto miners to beaten down retailers, volatility is alive and well. And for some traders, it's a gold rush waiting to happen. If you want, I can build a real-time short squeeze tracker spreadsheet for these 5 names plus 5 more, with real-time float data, short interest percent, borrow rates plus options flow signals. Drop a comment, tracker, and I'll build it for you right away. Thank you for joining us on AI Capital Brief. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned. We're just getting started.